across the night, whispers floating out of sight, echoes bounce to empty light, lost inside the endless height. Clouds collapse into the gray, wind is screaming all the way. Let the static take away every shadow in my way. Rise the noise, break the calm, feel the echo take command. Storm is rolling in my palm, let the rhythm overrun. Echo storm, sound waves crashing through the norm. Dark vibe, locked in every form, drowning in the echo storm. Echo storm, vibes exploding, warm and raw. Time is frozen, mind withdrawn, falling in the endless echo storm. Frequency breaks through the air, reverb echoes everywhere. No more sorrow, no more care. Let the storm take me somewhere. Shadows move behind the glow, heavy bass begins to grow. All my fears begin to go. In the chaos I let go. Rise the noise, break the calm, feel the